These are the new birds that are coming to visit now. A whole new flock of them. There was just one of them, and I told the other birds to be nice. There she is. She's right up there. Hi, babies. Hi. Yeah. I'm so grateful that they are visiting. Hello, sweeties. Hi. You guys can go over to the feeder dish. Don't you worry. There's plenty over there for you. Yeah, imagine that, guys. That's just two of them. There's the rest of them all up over there sitting. Yeah. We had a lot of rain. Oh, little sweetie. Hello, babe. Yeah, there's food over there. You go ahead and help yourself. You're welcome to visit. This is your place. Anyway, yeah, we got a visiting dog, so I'm going to call this short. Take care, guys.